Meaning of fashionable.
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 Fashionable. Fashionable means something is currently popular and in style among a particular group of people. It refers to clothing, accessories, hairstyles, or even behaviors that are considered trendy and desirable at a given time. Being fashionable is often associated with being up to date with the latest fashion trends and having good taste. It can also refer to something that is well designed and aesthetically pleasing. In essence, being fashionable is about staying current and relevant in terms of fashion and style.